Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok account step by step. If you're planning to take a break from TikTok or permanently remove your account, this guide will walk you through the entire process quickly and safely. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share an important notice about what happens after you delete your account. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your TikTok profile page. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. Tap the three-line menu icon to open the settings menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your TikTok account settings. Inside Settings and Privacy, tap Account. This section contains options related to your TikTok account information and security. Scroll down until you find Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on it to continue. Now select Delete Account. TikTok may ask you to confirm your reason for deleting the account. Choose any option and continue. To protect your account, TikTok will ask you to verify your identity. This may include entering a verification code sent to your phone number or email. Enter the code and continue. Finally, review the information on the screen and tap Delete Account. Confirm your choice when prompted. Your TikTok account will now be scheduled for deletion. Before you delete your TikTok account, here are a few important things to know. Once you delete your account, you will lose access to your videos, messages, followers, and account data. TikTok usually gives you a 30-day deactivation period. During this time, you can log back in to recover your account. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So make sure you're completely sure before continuing. And that's how you delete your TikTok account step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.